Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little dynamite battle unboxing the random booster 25. And before I say anything, down below is my cosplay mask. I'm probably gonna fix this. Yeah. Now I have another mask like this too. It's leather version. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge Ken Koniki fan. Yeah, let's actually get into it. I know I'm doing this video before I get the actual main bay, but yeah. And okay, sorry about that, guys. My video fucking sucked. So yeah, I got these guys all set up. I'm seriously sorry that happened. I'm not sure what happened. But yeah. Random booster. Here's the parts. I like the color for this guy. New driver. I don't have the other one yet. Dragoon V2. I'll be doing a full video on this guy. Here's one of the next bays, more oval. And a brand new base, so yeah. Oh god, I'm seriously sorry about that. And also, I got this too. So let me put the stickers on this guy right now. Okay. You guys can look at that. I'm not sure if we were supposed to get this or what. I'm not sure. Gorgeous though. I don't see any of that in here. Okay, so yeah. I need to do this, take this apart, put the stickers back on. Ugh. Oh. Okay. Let me put these guys on and I'll be right back with you guys.